Hello, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Statistics My Passion. In this video, we will learn an example of uniform distribution. That is very not so easy, but so tricky question. So how can you find it? So let's get started. So the question is uniform distribution. We have given uniform distribution in the interval 0, 1. And then we have interval, and what is the value of the p? The probability is basically probability. And okay, so how can you find it? So firstly, we have given this term, so just write it and then say it. So when we have, this is the conditional probability. This is called the conditional probability. In this type of probability, we write probability of denominator, okay, and the probability of denominator and the numerator both. So how this is the intersect sign in when we read about set. So there are the two types of set. So here the U, that means the union, and this is the intersect. Intersect means this is the common part, and if we use the union, that means we use the plus sign, and this is the multiply sign. So and x a plus b upon 2. Now firstly we will find this value, and then next we will find this value. Okay, so how can we find this value? So just simply, okay, so because the lower limit is the a plus b divided by 2, and the upper limit is given in the question. So because uniform is between the 0, 1, so our limit will be 1. Why? Because our uniform distribution lies in the interval 0, 1. So we have not given the upper lower limit, so we can write 1 because of question. So but we have not any type of function. So how can you find function? So function in binomial distribution is 1 upon b minus a. So b minus a, that means b is the upper limit and this is the lower limit. The upper limit, that means 1, and this is 0. So 1 minus 0, that means 1. So fx is equal to is 1. So 1 dx. So this is the 1, that means x, and this is the 1 a plus b divided by 2, and this 1 minus a plus b divided by 2, and 2 minus a minus b divided by 2. So the probability of this is this. Now we will find the value of this. So just we have requiring space. So p. Now directly okay. So we will find this term in this. So how can you find this? So in this question, you can see that we have given the upper limit and lower limit, and in this question, in this term, the lower limit is a plus b upon 2. So if we take lower limit, so our lower limit will be uh, a plus b divided by 2, and the upper limit will be b. Okay, now same, the function is 1 and dx is equal to 1, that means 1 is converted to x, and a plus b divided by 2, and this b, and b minus a plus b divided by 2, 2b minus a minus b divided by 2, b minus a divided by 2. So the answer is b minus a divided by 2. But we put these values in the place of this. So our value is b minus a divided by 2, and this value is 2b minus a minus b divided by 2, and b minus a on 2b minus a minus b. So the last answer is b minus a, 2b minus a minus b. So this is the answer of this question. And if you want to be more questions on this type of questions, so you can comment on it. Thank you so much being with us. Thank you.